How you doing today? Today's November 9th, 2014. My name is Khalil Thomas, Oral Communication. Today I'll be talking about the importance of blood donations and blood transfusions. Let's start off with some facts to get everything on the roll. More than 4.5 million patients need blood transfusions each year in the US and Canada. 43,000 pints amounted of donated blood each day in the US. Someone needs blood every 2 seconds. Only 37% of the U.S. population is eligible to donate blood, less than 10% do annually. About 1 in 7 people entering a hospital needs blood. 1 pint of blood can save up to 3 lives. Healthy adults who are at least 17 years old and at least 110 pounds donate about a pint of blood, the most common form of donation. Every 56 days or every 2 months, depending on iron levels, females receive 53% of blood transfusions, males receive 47%. 94% of blood donors are registered voters. Four main red blood cell types A, B, AB, and O. Each can be positive or negative for the Rh factor. AB is the universal recipient. O negative is the universal donor of red blood cells. Dr. Carl Landenstein first identified the major human blood groups A, B, AB, and O in 1901. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the body's organs and tissues. Red blood cells live about to 120 days in the circulatory system. Now, a spider bite may not help you transform into a superhero like Spider-Man, but a small needle prick and a little of your time sure can. Yes, by donating blood, you'll be saving up to 3 human lives at a time. But here's some even more amazing news. Not only is donating blood extremely beneficial to the person you're donating it to, but to the people that are donating blood, here's some benefits for you as well. The joy of saving human lives is such a wonderful feeling to be able to help a doctor save a human life. There are no perfect substitutes for blood, so it feels like you're a doctor right in the ER, right next to the patient, helping. So that's pretty cool as well. The blood you donate is divided into various components, according to the needs of the patient. Each component can be used differently for the recipients for various purposes. Many newborn babies may benefit from a single blood donor as their blood requirements are much smaller than the average adult. Every time you donate blood, you can help to 3 to 4 individual recipients. Be a hero by donating blood. Reduces the risk of cancer. This is a big one. High levels of iron have been foretold that is in cancer. Theoretically speaking, donating blood frequently will reduce the iron levels in your blood. More research is still going on today about this. However, the old myth that blood donations cause cancer has been put to rest. Burning calories. This is a fact that I think everyone needs to know. In America, for the past 10 to 20 years, according to CNN, Fox 5, and Forbes magazine, 46.5% of Americans in the US are suffering from high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and clogged arteries. All of these are helping them to not live a long and healthy life. One time donating blood, it can help you shed 650 calories. This can aid your body weight and control measures. However, blood can only be donated once or twice a month, no more than that. This will depend on your health stature and your iron levels in your blood. The need. Every 2 seconds, someone needs blood, as I said before. Every year, 4.5 million Americans would die without blood transfusion. That would be a big drop in our population. Car accident victims can require red blood cell transfusions of 50 units or more. Severe burn victims require approximately 20 units of plasma during treatment. Donating. Donating blood involves 4 easy steps: a medical history review, a quick physical, blood donation, and of course everyone's favorite, snacks. The actual blood donation part usually takes about 10 minutes. All you do is sit in a chair, relax, and let the doctors do their work. The entire process from the time you sign in to the time you leave takes about an hour. Only 2 episodes of Springfield. After donating blood, you will place the fluids in your body and the red blood cells lost. So you just sit there, take snacks, and drink juice. It takes 8 weeks to restore the iron lost after donating. Last and final fact, you cannot get AIDS or infectious diseases by donating blood. The moral of the story with this is donating blood really does help a lot. As I've shown you, a lot of people today can't live without it. If we didn't have blood donors today, the population in our world would decrease each year. So go out and donate blood. Thank you for listening.